What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I want to talk about Ethereum because Ethereum price right now is breaking out. So before we dive into this video, do me one massive favor and give this video a like. I really appreciate that. It really makes me happy. So let's dive into this video, and right now Ethereum is at $1,319. $1,319. That's right, guys. It's just crazy, guys. I remember not too long ago, I mean less than probably around 8-9 months ago, Ethereum was trading around $100, and right now we are at $1,388 at this minute. So yeah, this mind-blowing. I actually have my chart over here, which I will show you soon a little bit, but there are a few things I do want to show you guys. So I know some people might ask or think or question, is it too late to buy Ethereum? So I want to share with you all my thoughts, all my opinions in this video, so make sure you stick through and watch this whole video. But first off, let's dive right into the chart and show you a few things that I wanted to show you guys. And by the way, I was just going to go and have my workout, but I just thought I had to do this video right now because the price is going right now crazy. All right, guys, so this is the 4 hours chart on Ethereum, and right now, as you can see, the price is $1,389. So yeah, the price is going crazy, and I've actually drawn this line here. This line here is around the $1,340 line or mark area. That's because this is where the previous all-time high in most exchanges, so it's around this level. So first of all, what I wanted to show you is that I would say in the near future we might have some resistance around this level, or as you can see right now we are actually bouncing around here, because over here we're very close. We're about maybe 2% away from the all-time high. So obviously this might be a bit of a short-term resistance, but guys, once we break this, I think that's when Ethereum can actually go wild. And another quick thing is, you can see right over here the volume. Yes, the volume does look pretty good, so that's a good sign as well. So just quickly put on the 5-minute candle. Now I know this is not really significant and this is not really for hodlers, to be honest, but I just wanted to have a quick look because I've been watching this for a little while, and of course over here we just went a bit of sideways, but it looks like now we're continuing to break up. We might even break the $1,400 level by the end of this video, so this is going to be actually quite interesting to see. However, guys, my videos are more for the hodlers and not for the traders. So in general, I would never recommend anybody to do trading unless you're experienced, because trading is very risky. And not only that, Ethereum, especially Ethereum, is very, very volatile. And if you're going to leverage trade with Ethereum, it is very, very risky, especially if you're not experienced. So guys, please never, never, never try and leverage trade if you don't have experience and not really into it, because I know it sounds tempting. I know many people out there show videos on YouTube, making nice gains, but believe me, many people lose. More people lose than make. This is just my personal opinion. Obviously do what works for you. But guys, what I wanted to really talk about this video is, where do I see Ethereum going from now? Where is it moving next? And what's my opinion, my strategy? As I was just showing you guys, that the $1,440 level is quite significant, because that's around the previous all-time high, and obviously the previous all-time high is going to be some sort of resistance level. Most likely, I mean, it's very, very unlikely we just blast through a previous all-time high, or in fact, not just the previous, the all-time high. So that's something that could be a bit of a sideways movement before that actually happens. But as I said, once Ethereum breaks through that, I definitely see Ethereum moving up very nicely. And Ethereum, as I said, could be very volatile. So Ethereum can bounce in one day, very high percentages. In fact, this month alone, since the beginning of January until right now, we almost, well, you're basically up 100%. Let me show you guys. Just crazy. If you look around here, these levels, right? Here we are talking, okay, this is a daily chart, but let's talk from January, which is, let's say over here. So you're on the 700. There we go. We got around 700 USD in the beginning of January, and look where we are right now. That's a 1x. I mean, that's basically 100% gains just in 3 weeks. That is absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. I mean, if you want to talk about the year, you're talking about, since obviously last March, you're talking about 11x. So then, does that mean that, is it too late to buy now? Now, personally, me, I'm not buying right now, because I've actually been buying a while back, when prices were much lower, but that doesn't mean it's too late to buy. However, I'm not telling you guys to buy now too, because after all, it's your money and it's your risk at the end of the day. So this is not me here telling you what to do. However, I will tell you guys one thing: I am not selling all my Ethereum right now at this current price, because I honestly believe Ethereum will be going much higher than these numbers. And here's a few reasons why. I mean, as we all know, Bitcoin broke through the all-time high, not now, quite a while ago, already a few weeks ago. I know it seems like a month ago already. And for some reason, I've realized people have kind of lost interest on Bitcoin since it's been moving sideways. But guys, you don't want to be the ones buying in when it's at the top. You want to be the ones buying in when the interest is not as high and when the price is down or moving sideways. That's when it's time to buy, not when everyone is talking about something and the price is going crazy. If you want to be successful with these things, you need to be in the market when times are down, when no one is talking about it. That's when you want to accumulate in general. However, going back to what I was saying, I definitely think Ethereum will reach much higher levels because, guys, we haven't even broken the all-time high yet. And just imagine once that happens, where Ethereum will be going. And I definitely believe, honestly, I believe Ethereum will reach 2000 USD easily this year, easily. So this is just my opinion, guys. Again, I'm not telling you whether you should buy now or not if you don't have any Ethereum. However, there are a few things that you can consider doing, which I actually did a while ago. And so I converted actually a few weeks back more Bitcoin into Ethereum, and it paid off pretty well because percentage-wise, Ethereum right now is doing better than Bitcoin. However, in the long term, I personally think Bitcoin will do well. For some that only hold Bitcoin right now and are actually in nice profits, I would personally consider converting some of my Bitcoin or Satoshis, whatever it is, into Ethereum, because percentage-wise, I think Ethereum might outperform Bitcoin in the next few weeks. But guys, time will tell. Obviously, no one knows. But either way, I'm very bullish at Ethereum, bullish at Bitcoin. As a long-term hodler as well. I don't do much trading. I do trade occasionally, but honestly, guys, the best way is obviously just holding. Just hold on to your bags. The most simple way is just buy and hold it long-term and sell when you're in nice profits. And that's the way that is the most easiest way to do. It's not too complicated. Don't get crazy with day-to-day hourly prices. Just hold as a long-term hold. I mean, just put it this way. Someone who bought Ethereum 8 months ago now for $100 is looking back at the charts or at the price, and it's almost $1,400, and it's not there yet. It's not there yet. It will still be climbing. Honestly, guys, that's the way to go. Buy and hold long term. And one thing you do have to remember, guys, and this is something that a lot of people have to face reality: this will not continue forever, guys. One day we will fall. I mean, prices will come down. So definitely don't be too greedy, you know. Always think about that as well, because prices will not moon forever. There will always be some time that people will start selling, prices will correct, prices will go down. That's just normal in every single market. So make sure you have that in mind too, because I know there are some people out there that say they will never, ever sell their Bitcoin. It's hard for me to believe, but maybe yes, I don't know. But ultimately, the whole point of having this asset is to have more of a stronger net worth. So I don't know. This is just the way I see it. Anyways, guys, I'm going to end this video here. So this is just my thoughts. Please give this video a like again and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now.